we're here all day. I know the service were really helpful in explaining all the features and whatever, the warranty and how everything works. And we were on time, I'm sure. You were here, so that's important, you know.
And when I first called, you gave me all the information on the phone about the maintenance, the warranty, and you had somebody here like that afternoon.
Right, exactly. Yeah.
And friendly service.
I'm glad we came here and did the job for you. That's our pleasure.
Okay, thank you.
So today we are at this beautiful house in front of the river doing a Generac generator installation. It's a 14 kilowatt. We are putting some part of the house on the generator. The crew has already arrived. And the placement is as we had discussed already with the customer. It's the same place. We're gonna put the generator. The propane tanks are here. Our gas technician is going to show up later to do the gas connection. My colleague is placing the concrete base. We are going to go check it out together. And as you can see, here we have some limitations from the window that we are going to have 5 feet from the opening, the window. And we're going to drill here to go inside to put the transfer switch in. Propane tanks are in the other corner, so the gas line is going to be along the house. It's pretty nice and clean. It's going to take us probably 4 to 5 hours to do this installation. But we're going to double check together. They might not be accurate. Okay, so which circuits you want to have on the generator? You don't know? Let's say upstairs lights.
Yeah.
Fridge, bedroom plugs, room plugs, washer. Saying which one? Sump pump here, number 8.
Fridge, dryer.
Sump pump is number 8.
8, 9. Yeah.
So you need this one too.
Yeah.
Perfect. So that's I'm gonna bring the tester to find this. But the sump pump 8, 9, it's a 30 amp. Seven is on, so 29 is on. So we have transferred 18 circuits from this panel to this panel. We are limited to number of circuits and the kilowatt of the generator. So this kilowatt is 14 kilowatt. We are not exceeding 14 kilowatt. These are all lights except this one, which is the hot water tank. So during the power failure, most of the house, the sump pump, switch pump, water pump are gonna work. Countertop, what else? They're all labeled here. So bedroom, basement lights, hot water tank, switch pump, basement. In the basement there is a fridge, lights here, microwave, countertop, fridge, water pump, bedroom plugs. They also have a fireplace, so it works with propane. It's functional during the power failure too. Yeah, so we are ready to go upstairs and start the generator, check the voltage frequency, and then we are gonna give the power to the house from the generator. It's about 2 o'clock now, so yeah, it took us 4 hours to do this job so far. 1 more hour to do the test, answer the questions of the customer, do the Wi-Fi connection, and we're good to go. I'm gonna turn off the whole power for the power of the whole house. Between 5 to 30 seconds the generator is going to start. I guess this model is 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds start, it's going to click. You're going to hear a click and a spark. In here it's going to give the power to the house. There. Now the whatever we discussed is on the generator. Okay. As long as it's green, you're good. If it's red, it's not working. So you asked me before if you want to turn it off. It's a long power failure. You just need to come outside and hit off. It's going to turn off the generator. The day after, a couple of hours later, just hit auto. If there is no power at the house, it's going to start and give the power automatically.
Yeah.
And if there is the hydro is back, it's just going to be a standby.
So if for some reason that it doesn't come on, I could manually start it.